कौन सा काम जो है वो पहले हुआ है. So the order of action we know because we have used past perfect tense. A state which continued for a time in the past but stopped before now, that's where we past perfect use. Note that there is no connection with the present. For example, Henry had lived in the New York for 10 years. Now had lived is a past perfect tense. Before he moved to California. So before he moved to California is a second action. The previous action was he was living in the New York. So for 10 years he was living in New York. Then he moved to California. And ये सब बातें हो चुकी हैं पहले ही. So in the present moment we don't know where he actually is, be it California or where. But he has moved from New York much earlier. So ये आपको क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए कि जब आप माजी का कोई एक्शन जो कि ख़त्म हो चुका है, बिफोर वी आर स्पीकिंग राइट नाउ, दैट वेयर पास्ट परफेक्ट tense actually jumps in. This was all about past perfect. Let's jump into the past perfect continuous tense. So this past perfect concept can also be conveyed by the past perfect continuous or past perfect progressive. Study these formulas. We know that for the simple past tense we have subject, had and verb, but here we have subject, had followed by been, and then verb in ing because it's a continuous form. So example can be, Henry had been living in New York for 10 years before he or she probably moved to California. So something which was happening in the past, and हम इसको डिपिक्ट कर शो कर रहे हैं विद पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. इसकी कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स को हम रिव्यू करते हैं. द प्रोफेसर हैड रिव्यूड, अगेन दिस इज द पास्ट परफेक्ट, द मटीरियल बिफोर ही गेव द क्विज. सो द giving the quiz was a later action. The initial earlier action was reviewing the material. Second example is, after Henry had visited Puerto Rico, he went to St. Thomas. So the visit to St. Thomas was second action. So it is a simple past tense. The initial action with the earlier action was meeting or going to visiting to Puerto Rico. So it is had visited. It's a past perfect. Third example is, before Ali went to sleep, he had called his family. So हमने यहाँ पे before की condition इस्तेमाल की है. We used after initially. इसमें हमने Ali went to sleep, which is a simple past tense, followed by he had called his family. So the calling to family was the initial action or the earlier action. So this is the past perfect tense. George had worked at the university for 45 years before he retired. It's a sentence structure where had worked shows the past perfect tense, which means he worked at the university before for 45 years and he got retired. So in the